Welcome to Geek Amaze. Today we have come up with a new course which is from the prestigious organization Sailor.org. Sailor.org is a non-profitable organization which provides professional courses by collaborating with the famous companies, and Sailor.org has been providing the courses for free since 2008, and it has various amount of courses which you can learn in a professional manner. So let's get started without wasting time. So you can redirect to this website by clicking the link that is provided in the description. Kindly go through it. So you need to create an account. If you don't have any account, by clicking on sign up. If you have an account, you can click here by logging in with your existing account. So you can click here on courses, and you can see here it has various amount of courses like history, biology, and courses related to business administration, and chemistry, communication and computer science, and economics, English, and geography, history, mathematics, physics, political science, professional development, and psychology and sociology, which means it covers everything, and the students belonging to various kinds of groups can enroll here for the courses for free and get the certificate successfully by completing the course. So I will show you how to enroll in a course. You can click on the link. Suppose I am clicking on the link C++ programming. Here you can click enroll me in the course. So here you need to click enroll me. Here you can see the various units: introduction and setup, structuring program code and working with simple data structures, and object oriented programming, and advanced concepts. So if you know these topics, then you can directly take the certification exam. So you can see here the certification exam will be of 2 hours duration. You need to wait 7 days between consecutive attempts of the exam. Means if you have failed first time, then for the attempting for the second time you need to wait 7 days. So the exam questions will be of multiple pages, means each page consists of one question, and you can answer the questions in any order. The passing grade will be of 70%. So after completing the course with the required credentials, so you can get the certificate for free from the famous organization Sailor.org. So I would suggest you not to miss this opportunity, as the courses are of professional level, and it will give a chance to stand out when compared to other students while attending an interview. So I would highly suggest you to go through these courses once. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe so to our channel. We will be posting a lot of updates regarding courses and various certifications and job updates here. If you like, please share and subscribe. That's all for now, guys. Thank you.